everyone, thank you for tuning in to AGrader's Here's What to Expect. Today we have with us an experienced math curriculum writer, Ms. Jennifer, who will share with us what your P3 going to P4 child should expect for math. Now moving on to the upper block means that it's going to be increasingly difficult. Can you share with us some of the differences in the syllabus?
Okay, for basics like plus minus times divide, they are already taught in P1 to 3, laying the foundation. So in P4, students must already be very good in the basics so that they can concentrate on the more difficult concepts that are taught in P4 instead of spending too much time on the basics.
How about the topics taught? Are they different or is an extension?
Some of the topics are extensions. So topics like fraction, time, area, parameter are already taught in P3, but they are taught more in depth in P4. Yeah, so for example, area and parameter, in P3 they just need to know the formula and apply it, but in P4 they are required to find the unknown side given area or parameter.
Then
so
the
for
new topics, right?
Yeah.
We have the new topics.
New topics will be decimal, symmetry, tables, and line graph.
I see. Then how about the types of questions asked? Did they change or?
More or less the same, but again, problem sums in P4 will require more advanced level of the model drawing. Yeah, and they may need to know some heuristic methods like by grouping. Yeah.
Understand. How about the exam format wise? Because we understand that in P3 they actually had an additional exam.
So exams in P4 are similar to P3 where they have mid-year exams and end-of-year exams, but the time duration will be slightly longer, 1 hour 45 minutes. So there are also more word problems in P4 because this is to prepare them for the transition to P5 where they are given paper 2 which consists of mainly problem sums.
So more word problems but with an additional of 15 minutes in exam. I see. So what can parents do to actually prepare their child for it?
Mainly the multiplication table because the multiplication tables are all taught in P3. So at P4, the multiplication table must be at their fingertips so that they will spend more time on thinking how to solve the question rather than working out what is the multiplication table.
I see. Last but not least, do you have any topics or concepts that you feel that students are usually weak in?
For P4, I think they will be very weak at fractions because the basics of P2 and P3 must be there so that at P4 they can transit to the next level. Yeah, and then also the confusion between the conversion of length between km, meters and cm. Another one will be the accuracy because they are required to draw parallel and perpendicular lines, and students at P4 may not be very conscious about how accurate they should be. Yeah.
I understand. Thank you very much.
To watch more of such videos and information to help your child improve and learn ahead of others in school,
visit our website www.agrader.sg, click on this button, fill in your email address and receive all these useful videos straight in your inbox for free.
as well as the latest in promotions so that you don't lose out on great deals with AGrader Learning Center.